Name of the work is Strengthening, Renovation and Beautification of Existing Bandh from Nerul Bridge up to Kakula House opposite the Kandolim Church. हो बांध खूप वर्ष झाली निग्लेक्टेड आसलो. हो बांध थोडेसो तरी मोडून पडलेलो आनी लोकल लोक थिंगासर फिशिंग एक्टिविटी करूंक वयताले. थिंगासर फाटले वाटेन शेतांनी मीठ बसून काडटाले. थिंगा 2-3 कडेक स्लुईस गेट्स आहा आनी ह्या बांदाचेर नेरूल ब्रिजा वयरसून तेजे एक्सेस आमी बरी डेव्हलप करता विथ स्टेप्स इन दिस फॅशन. And this work government has agreed. Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority has given us NOC. Also expenditure sanction and work order has been issued under Water Resources Department for 3 crore 68 lakhs. This place is going to be developed as a beautification. A lot of suspended cantilever slabs have been casted which will go in the river where people will sit for fishing activities. जो आहले 10 कडेक तरी आहा जे थिंगा रावन गरोवपाक जातले लोकलांक. तेजे भायर बरे पाथवेज केल्ले आहा, बेंचीस घातलेले आहा, लाइट्स घातलेले आहा, आर्टिफॅक्ट्स आसतले थिंगा. अशें ब्युटिफिकेशन जातले की ट्युरिस्ट हिंगासर देंवन कोण वचपाक हो जागो केल्लो लोकलांक आनी ट्युरिस्टांक. एक वॉकवे जाली. somebody wants to walk, it's nearly going to be 1.5 kilometers. And once the work is ready, it will be handed over to village panchayat of Kandolim for maintenance, and also panchayat can charge every tourist who is coming to this place say 50 rupees. Locals, the Kandolim locals and the surrounding locals can be given free, and whatever money comes after charging the tourist to enter, panchayat can use that money to clean the area, to maintain the area, to paint it every year. Especially depicting Kandolim village, जे कितें पंचायतीक दाखोवपाक जाय. खूब वस्तू आहा थिंगा. फ्रिडम स्ट्रगलूय थिंगासून स्टार्ट जाल्लो. थिंगासर तेंची विलेजीची आदली जे कितें तांकां दाखोवपाक जाय, लायक फिशींग विलेज आसली तेंची, एक एग्रीकल्चरल विलेज आसली. तेजे भायर जे तांकां आनी कितें डिपिक्ट करपाक जाय ह्या बांदाचेर तेणी दाखयल्ले, तेणी आर्टिस्टाक सांगपाचें. They will make all necessary arrangements to do all this work on the bath. So even the local artist, जे कोण sculpture artist आहा, जे कोण even painting artist आहा, एकदा हे रेडी जाले काय स्कल्पचर आर्टिस्ट तेणे करून हाडून हिंगासर घालपाक जाता आपले स्कल्पचर दाखोवपाक. So these are the statues or these are the works which are made in Goa, and they can showcase it on this bandh for selling purpose also. It will be a self-employment for them, and they can give some part of that money to the panchayat to maintain the area. Secondly, our local people who are there, स्थानिक लोक थिंगा आसले, जो तर ते कोण बरे आर्टिस्ट आहा वा आनी कितें काम करता वा कोण बरें जेवण रांदता तांकां 1-2-3 स्टॉलां भितर घालून दिवपाक जाता. So this can explore possibilities for the locals to be self-employed.